Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about how best to use your WeChat tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to check some of the contacts that are using WeChat on your phone from your WeChat account right here. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you found the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WeChat like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your WeChat. After you open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to click on me. The next thing you need to do is to click on your WeChat name right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on phone right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on mobile contacts. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on OK. And in a few seconds, WeChat is going to load and show you some of the contact lists on your phone that are actually on WeChat. Then from there, you can decide to add them into your WeChat for easy connection. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about WeChat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.